studying my real talent was acting. Hey, you see Mirabella? I think she might be better at this introduction. Mirabella? Mirabella? I should go. I'll be right back. Or she will be. Bye.
You all know my family. The amazing Madrigals. So much talent, right? I mean, look at my sister Luisa over there. Whoa. Just wait till you see what she can do. She is big muscles and big feelings. Hard to believe, but I get it. Big talent, big expectations, big pressure. Whatever. I'm a strong one. I'm not nervous. I'm as tough as the crust of your okay. I'm with mountains. I'm with churches. And I know because I know what the worth is. Of course, I don't ask how hard the work is. Got a wealth of destructive service. Under the surface, under the surface, a tightrope walk.
Naliwal yung donkey, anak